Hello everyone, today I'm going to go over the agent memory, what it is, how to use it, and how this would work in practice. So before we dive in, let's first take a step back and understand what is the agent memory. Well, the agent memory is effectively a place where you can go and store information and create what we call a vector database. Now, that's a technical term for essentially a database that an agent can use to pull information out of. This is your way of creating a customized agent inside of the Triggerfy platform. For example, I'm monitoring an individual here. Let's say that I'm monitoring this individual because I really like the way that he or her writes their content. And I'm like, okay, this would be very, very cool to train an agent on their style of writing. So what you might do, for example, is I might use an agent node in this step, and I might say, read how this user writes, identify their hook patterns, writing style, and anything else you think would be worth highlighting to help me train an agent on good writing patterns for LinkedIn, for example. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to feed it the post text from the post itself. Now we have an agent memory option here inside of the agent node. At this point, I don't want to use it because I've not trained anything. So I'm just going to hit add to workflow. And now what I'm going to go do is I'm going to add another node, and this node is going to be saved to agent memory. Here, you're going to go ahead and create a new table if you haven't. I've already done that, and I have one called writing styles. From there, I'm simply going to add the agent output, which is this step here, into there. And there we have it. So what's going to happen now is anytime this individual or maybe multiple individuals that you're tracking, if you're using a multi-post trigger from the profile perspective, is going to go in, this agent's going to crunch and analyze it, and it's then going to add that information to this agent memory. So what does that then mean going forward once you've done that, published it, and set it up? Well, from there, I then could use perhaps an agent to help me write posts. So let's say I'm using a scheduled trigger and 9 a.m. every single day, it's going to run. I might then want to have an agent using whatever model that you want to use, write me a piece of content. So for example, it could be, write me a content post based for LinkedIn, based on your memory on what is topical at the moment, for example. I don't need to give it any variables at this point, and then I might give it the content ideas, right? So I could add that to the workflow. And then what I might want to do is I could then say, take this post that I've written and style it based on all of our learnings we have done in the agent in your memory. So rewrite it, right? And again, I'm now going to feed the post that this first agent did, and then I'm going to give it the writing styles context now. So again, I'm providing agents with context, which is key. It's more important than prompting, if anything. And obviously, if you're doing something like this, I would encourage you just to name these agents so you remember what they're doing. And you probably want to obviously flesh the prompt out, but that's not the purpose of today's video. It's more to learn how and why you would use agent memories. Of course, the use cases are multiple use cases. This is just one example, but should give you context on why agent memories are probably one of the most powerful things that you could do inside of Triggerfy. A couple of other ideas: you could train an agent using the agent memory node on every post that is being spoken about your competitors. And then once a week, you get a competitor summary report. You could train the agent on topical industry things. And again, what's trending, what's not. You could get a report on that. You can really start to customize these agents in a way that you've never done before through using social data, which I think is probably one of the biggest unlocks when it comes to using Triggerfy.